going to talk now about agents. I think what we're going to see is a world where these systems move towards something that looks a lot more like a virtual collaborator or a virtual employee. What I mean by that is you can imagine a world where you have an AI system. It onboards through your company onboarding process. You give it a name, it's Joe. It watches all your onboarding videos, it reads your onboarding docs, it gets assigned a manager, and it uses episodic memory to learn, adapt, and fold in everything that is relevant to that particular role. And then you as the manager of that AI are moving towards sort of supervising what you would consider sort of an entry-level employee. So I think within roughly 12 months, probably less than that, I'm guessing more like 10 months now, I believe we'll see the first instances of these to look much more like maybe the level of competency that you would get from an intern joining your organization. And as this loop gets better, the loop that's on the screen here, this ability to evolve the episodic memory, the memory that's stored in the RAG database or some kind of context window, each of those will evolve and get more competent. And as they get more competent, the ability for a virtual collaborator to work more effectively will also evolve. So I think this is very interesting. This is a huge change to what we're thinking about as agent. It's probably the most important change from an enterprise perspective that we'll have coming up in the next few years.